Professional window tinting installations, nano ceramic window tinting, how to installations will check. First I'll cover for door pad. After I glass down, fully down glass and all rubber for clean. Good clean for any dust not coming inside for tent. Two side and up fully clean every dust. After I will up the glass for little bit gap, not fully up, little bit gap. After I will put shampoo, water and clean hand, and after squeegee cleaning for any small things, everything will remove. After I will take good clean for cloth, and first I will put up in the glass. After I will take wiper and cleaning for glass, but remember this very good cleaning, not any dust. Again down squeegee and fully glass clean more than one time. And I will take again for water and all put water for down any dust go inside, and take now tint, and I will remove for plastic. But very careful for tint not blocking. Slowly remove and put water for glass, but slowly, not put upside water, only down, and I will put for window tint. First front side I will put, front side every I will put, after I put back side, and I will help for squeegee. Front side for down the rubber, and I will put little move it for up, and now back side I will down, and for lock for squeegee. Now I will glass down slowly, and I will tint little bit remove, and I will put for water for only tint. Now I will put for tint measurement 1 milli gap, same like this, 1 milli gap, not too much, is looking not good, 1 milli, this is perfect. And I will now take for Blomax and remove for water only upside, and I will take for after small squeegee, but slowly. Now I will put small squeegee, and I will put two side and up, remove the water, and I will slowly glass up. Now I will take for Glomax again and remove every water. But slowly. Now finish for under tinting. Again more water remove for tint. This is professional work for under tinting. This guys for experience for more than 10 years. Remove for plastic cover and clean for clothes slowly, and I will put water for outside and outside also clean. This is good cleaning, but looking for customer is very happy. But this monochromatic tint for outside coming dark and inside to very clear night time also. How I work, please like and comment and please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.